I started losing my hair, I would say, in my late 20s. It wasn't a lot of hair, but it was around my hairline, and that really bothered me. Naturally, I started receding and it bothered me a lot. I started researching, what my options were, what can I do? I started correcting my diet, eating cleaner, living a healthier life. It helped slow down the hair loss process, but it didn't help me grow back my hairline. For some people, my hair loss, my hairline wasn't significant, but for me, it bothered me because I've always been like obsessive about hair, and I wanted my hairline to look the way I wanted it to look. I started looking into my options with hair transplantation. I researched the FUE method and the FUT. FUE looked very appealing to me because I wouldn't have a scar in the back of my head. I didn't want anything that was noticeable. I didn't want people to know, I went through that procedure. I always want the best for myself, and it's no different when it comes to medical professionals. So when it came to hair transplantation, I started searching the world for the best. And then I came across Alvia Armani, and the photographs just blew me away. Alvia Armani was doing stuff that was probably more suitable for me. I was looking for a dense hairline, someone who would be aggressive and confident in what I needed to get done. And I like their approach. Every person is unique and they have their own needs. You got to do what's best for yourself. So I decided that Alvia Armani was the place for me. The hairline that I was looking for was something similar to like backward sevens, at the temples. So that's kind of like what he drew on my forehead. And that's what was executed, exactly what he drew on the forehead. This is an important phase in the process. You have to know exactly what you want and whether or not aesthetically it's going to look suitable for you. You obviously don't want a hairline of a 15-year-old, right? You want something that's suitable based on your age. I went back to work about 10 days. It's a really easy procedure. After the scabs start falling off at the 10-day mark, you look great, to be honest with you, Actually, you retain a lot of the stubbles from the hair transplantation, so it looks like you have a new hairline. At the 3-month mark, that's when you really start things taking off. For me, it's like clockwork. They said it was around 3 months, and that's when I started to see hair starting to sprout. Your confidence just starts growing and growing. You grow hair in places that you hope you would grow hair, and you get to see the result of the procedure. My hairstylist, he was like, I don't know what you're doing, but I told him, I'm going to this place in Beverly Hills, Alvia Armani. He was like, well, give me information about them because I need it myself. Yeah, he's amazed. It looks so natural. Very rare these days to go get a hair transplant and have a hairline that looks natural, like you didn't get anything done. My emotional health and my confidence has been so much better. It's totally transformed my life, and that's the honest truth. I'm doing things later in life that I shouldn't be doing, I'm enjoying life when other people probably aren't, I feel like I've retained my youth like later in life, which is rare, and it's a true blessing.